Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to generate Terraform code to create Google Kubernetes Engine cluster in GCP with the help of Codeium. I have logged into my Google Cloud account. First, let's review whether we have any GKE cluster exist in this account. Navigation menu, Kubernetes Engine, clusters. We don't have any GKE cluster in this account. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my Terraform code. Already I have created a service account in GCP and I have provided the necessary permission to create a GKE cluster. And then I created a keys and then I have downloaded the keys here. The keys.json file has all the necessary information to connect to GCP and create the GKE cluster. Now I'm going to add the providers.tf file. All the Terraform code should have a .tf extension. Now I'm going to give the prompt to the Codeium. You can see here the Codeium extension is installed. Create Terraform module with required providers as Google version 5.18.0. Now the Codeium has given me the suggestion and I'm happy with that, so I'm going to accept it by pressing tab. So now I'm going to provide the prompt to create provider configuration with credentials from keys.json. Okay, it has given me the suggestion and I'm happy with that, so I'm going to accept by pressing tab. All looks good, so I'm going to save the changes. Now I'm going to add the main.tf. So here I'm going to give a prompt to create a Google container cluster. Create Google container cluster with name demo cluster, machine type E2 micro. Okay, so it has given me the suggestion and I'm happy with the suggestion, so I'm going to accept by pressing tab. Okay, but I want to delete this cluster using Terraform destroy, so I'm going to remove the deletion protection. I'm going to make it as false. Okay, all looks good. Okay, I wanted to create it as a zonal cluster, so I'm going to give the zone information here. I'm going to save the changes. Now we are going to do a Terraform init. So it is installing the provider plugin version 5.18.0. The plugin has been successfully initialized. So now I'm going to do a Terraform validate to validate the configuration. The configuration is valid. So now I'm going to execute a Terraform plan. And the Terraform plan gives it information about what it is going to do. So it clearly says it is going to create a cluster. So now I'm going to do Terraform apply. This is what is actually going to create the resource. We need to provide the approval. So now the demo cluster is getting created. It is going to take few minutes before the cluster gets created. The demo cluster has been successfully created. Let's review that in the UI. Refresh. So we could see the demo cluster here. Click that. Let's review the configuration. So it has been created in the default node zone US Central 1C. And here you can find the other cluster information. And here you can see the node information. So we created with only one node and the machine type is E2 micro. And here you can see the storage information. And here you can see the metrics. And here you can see the cluster logs. In this demo, we have seen how to generate Terraform code to create GKE cluster in GCP with the help of Codeium. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.